Walmart to get Christmas baking stuff. Yes. Guys, we stopped at Dunkin' Donuts. This is our bestie.
Hey. Our Dunkin' plug.
Yeah, I love you guys. We love you.
Cammy support.
Yes. So guys, Cammy got us a bunch of free stuff from Dunkin' Donuts. We love her very much. We wish she was here, but she had to go back to doing
Her job.
yeah,
Unfortunately.
her job. I got a frozen hot chocolate, pineapple mango refresher, and then we also both got a donut.
Jelly for Macy.
I love jelly donuts. They're my favorite.
I freaking love the apple fritter donuts so much.
So now you're gonna get a sped up. Oh wait, we should review first. Review. Today is one of like the underfilled jelly donut days, so it like does not have enough jelly.
And it's like in a bag.
We're in Walmart. We're looking for the dessert stuff.
How many do you think we would need?
I think 2.
Okay. Me too.
Okay.
Baking aisle.
So we're in the baking aisle. We just picked up these mint sticks. We're gonna use them for the recipe because we want to make it Christmassy. So we're incorporating like the peppermint theme. So we're gonna put these in a bag and like smash them up.
Wait, keep it on. I work in the elderly home, so we're gonna give all these treats to the little old people.
Yes. We have acquired sprinkles. We're gonna use like the red ones. Update. We're looking for frosting. Okay. They have frosting. Not in the color we need, so we're gonna need food dye.
Decorating bag.
Yes, and we're gonna need tips.
Yeah.
This is a basic one.
It says set, but has none. That's stupid.
Oh, it's a 2 count.
It is?
Yeah. This one has the pretty ones though.
We should do the pretty ones.
Like that.
So now we need actual frosting.
Yeah, so they have like every color except red. They have pink.
We could just make red and white and get food color.
Yes, that's what I was thinking. Okay, Hannah, question. Do we get the normal frosting or do we get the cream cheese frosting?
The normal one.
Oh, right.
100%.
Because we're gonna put peppermint in it.
Yeah.
I don't want to mismatch too many flavors. So we'll do 2 of these. One will be white and one will be red. You got the dye already, right?
Yeah. Gel food color dye.
Okay, perfect. We also got the bags for to do the icing and the piping tips.
Yay!
Okay, so these are all our running mix options. We have a lot. What do we want to go for? Betty Crocker, Duncan Hines, Pillsbury.
We should do Betty Crocker.
Betty Crocker. What about Betty Crocker? Oh crap. What about Betty Crocker Supreme Chocolate Chunk?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna get 3 of these. Oh wait, this is a different one. This one's Supreme Triple Chunk.
Do you want to just get
Oh.
the triple chunk then?
Nope,
Wait,
I
we
found
should
it.
get the triple chunk. Look how good that looks.
What's the
I
difference?
guess it kind of looks the same. I don't know.
I think these look better.
Yeah, we should do that.
Okay. Alright, we have 3 of those. Now the last thing we're looking for is possibly if they have it like peppermint extract or flavoring, but I don't even know where we would find that. It should be in the baking stuff, but like who knows?
Should we ask? I hate asking.
I can ask if we don't find it, but we should look a little more first.
Okay.
Guys, we got the peppermint extract. We looked for literally forever to find this. Couldn't find it anywhere.
Finally freaking found it.
Yes, the last thing we need is the off-brand chocolate chips, which I saw right here. Ta-da.
You should get 2.
You're right. Alright.
What do we need now?
I think we're done. We could get Christmas M&Ms or something. Guys, so we acquired everything. And now we're gonna go look at makeup because why not? We want to go on a little trip. Gingerbread house, that's another video idea.
Yes, I want to do that.
Oh my god. Okay, next Saturday.
So many options.
So much stuff. I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah, that's what happens with new makeup stores. There's just too much.
No,
And it's
literally.
also tiny. Like, what do I
Yes,
look
so
at?
much to look at. We got ourselves a Monster also. And we're ready to go. Okay guys, this is our setup. We're in Hannah's room. Let us give you a haul. First we have the boring stuff. The bowl.
It's actually very cute though. It's leaves.
Yes. We have whisks, spoons, and spatulas. And it's just what we're gonna put like the dirty ones in. We have hammer to crush the candy cane sticks that we bought so we can add like a little crunchy candy cane topping on top.
That sounds so fun.
Me too. We have little sprinkles to add on top. They are. We have cooking oil to put in the pan. Frosting, we're gonna dye one red and leave one white. Measuring cup, of course, peppermint extract and food coloring. Vegetable oil because it's part of the recipe. Eggs because that's part of the recipe. Chocolate chips because we want them to be extra chocolatey. The pan because of course we need the pan. Oh, the piping bags and the piping bag tips. And drinks to keep us hydrated. I already said the sprinkles, but yes. Okay guys, we're back. We got a new bowl, it's bigger, and hopefully this angle you guys can see better. This is the brownie mix we ended up getting. So basically the first thing we're doing is just pouring them all into the bowl. So
We're just making one big batch and then putting them into 3 different little
pans. We ended up getting 3 boxes of brownie mix. Now we're adding. We need 3/4 cup of water. So let me grab that. Unless you want to replace it with milk, that'd probably be like creamier. Well, I'll just pour it down there.
Yeah.
How about? And where's the box say? Water. 1/4 cup water. So this would be about 3/4 then, right?
I say we pour it in because we really can't mess it up. And either way, we can just add.
We're pretty sure that's the right amount. Not 100% sure, but we're pretty sure. No, don't mix it yet. Now we add the oil, 1/3 cup. When? Okay, we're adding 1 cup of this.
We need
3 eggs. I mean, it's box brownie mix. How can you mess it up, right? First thing you always do is break the egg yolk because the last thing you want to do is bite into a brownie and find a whole egg yolk that you didn't break on accident.
We're gonna ignore how we forgot paper towels, so I am just wiping my hands on my pants.
You told me you had some up here.
I do, but I didn't get them there. I'll just go try my hands. These are dirty anyways.
Here, while I stir, you can start pouring in the chocolate chips.
Oh, okay, I thought you were gonna say go get paper towels.
this. They actually have to cook for different times. This one has to cook for longer than that one.
Because they're like
Thicker, yeah.
different size pan.
So we have the oven preheated to 350, and this one's going in for 27 to 30 minutes, and then this one's going in for 30 to 34 minutes. Yes, Hannah. Slay. Period. It's hot. Ah, yes, the worst part of baking. Doing dishes afterwards.
It's okay, I should do them pretty quick this time.
Yes.
Okay guys, so this is the new angle. We're just trying to show you guys us doing this, and we're gonna hammer them. So we can put them on top of the brownies. We're gonna make little candy cane bits.
Also, her parents are totally gonna hate us for doing this.
Oh yeah, we're so gonna
Can I try?
It's totally fine.
Okay guys, we're about to check on brownies. First one we're checking, do you think it looks done? We have toothpicks, right?
It's definitely not cooked all the way through. They were very, very doughy.
Yeah, so they were not even close to ready, so we have to wait longer. So these are the frostings we got. We also have gel food coloring. We accidentally have the ones with sprinkles in them. We did not mean to do that, but it's fine. Who doesn't love sprinkles?
It's fine because we're gonna put the food coloring we're hoping is gonna like hide the sprinkles, and we're gonna do like a bunch of red and green ones
On top, yeah.
and white.
Also, we have peppermint extract to put into the frosting, so it's got like a little bit of a kick to it.
It's really got that peppermint vibe.
Oh, and we also finished crushing up all these little bits. They're in the bag.
I want this to be very pigmented, since usually red, when you put it in white food coloring, it becomes pink, obviously. So I'm gonna try putting a lot of red in.
Okay guys, this is how our area is looking. We put the green into the piping bag. This piping bag totally says 2 count, and it only came with 1, so it's really great. But we got the green one set up, so we're just gonna have to wash this in between using it with the red one. But yeah. Also, I completely forgot to mention that the brownies did come out, and they are outside in the cold winter air cooling.
Okay guys, we're piping. We just took them out of from outside. They're still a little warm, but it's okay. Do we have anything to like spray it with? Or no, or are we just gonna do pretty like that? We should keep it pretty like that.
Really? I thought we were gonna do special and spread it.
Yeah, we could do that.
I always forget the store-bought stuff is like super duper thick.
We'll be back.
Okay, so we're going without the piping tip. Killed that off. We just cut the end of the bag off basically. And now we're doing the strips of green, and then we need more. Alright, this is how they look. Mine's extra green and his is extra red. Completely unintentional, but they're still super cute. Now we're gonna go in with sprinkles. this one's mine. Hannah's is cooling still, but she's saving hers for the elderly people, so we're just gonna cut and try mine for now. This one's actually not mine, this one's hers. Wait, no, I'm a liar, this one is mine. Let's cut into these and dig in. Guys, she looks bomb as hell. So good. This is so friggin' bust, y'all. Let me know. And it's like mostly brownie flavor, and then you get like the tiny hint of peppermint from like the frosting and the candy cane on top. I'm obsessed with it. Hannah, do you think these were worth our time and our cleaning efforts? I think they were too, because they were absolutely delicious. Anyways, let's get into today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and
Leave a like.
bye.
Bye.